Okay, Assalamu alaikum, boys. I'm going to repeat this question because I did it and I posted it and it didn't come out clear, so I'm going to do it again. And I thought I'll do it in text so I can be a bit more clear and yeah, it stands out a bit more. So as you can see, question 6 I'm repeating. So the aim is to actually expand the brackets. And then once I've expanded the brackets, we simplify it and then we get our answer, inshallah. So first thing that I'm going to do is multiply 4 by 2x and then 4 by 4. So 4 times 2x is 8x. And 4 times 4 is positive 16. Negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. And negative 5 times negative 2 is a positive 10. And this is where a lot of the students make a mistake. They write a negative 10 instead of a positive 10 because there's a negative and a negative. So when you're multiplying the two negatives, okay, when you're multiplying the two negatives, it should be a positive. Now that we've got this whole heap of terms, we need to collect the like terms. So I'm going to collect this and this because they are like terms. And then I'm going to circle this one and this one. These are called constant terms. So I'm going to not multiply, I'm just combine them together. So what's 8x take away 15x? It's negative 7x. And what's 16 plus 10? It's positive 26. That's about it. I'm going to move on to the next question. So we have two brackets here. And in class, I mentioned the FOIL method. Okay, first, outer, inner, and last. First is this first of each bracket. The outer is pretty much the outer of the two brackets. The inner is the inner of the two brackets. And obviously last would be, that's the last term of that bracket, and that's the last term of that bracket. So first, outer, inner, last. Or we can just multiply this by that, this by that. So the first with the first, first, second. Then second, first, second, second. So let's do this step by step. So we have 4x times 2x. Then we have 4x times negative 5. Then we have 3 times 2x. And then we have 3 times negative 5. Now, have you noticed I haven't put pluses or negatives in between? Why? Because these results will either give me a negative or a positive. So I don't like to confuse by saying plus 3 times 2x and so forth. Let the results give you either a negative or a positive. So how do I work this out again? 4 times 2x. So 4 times 2x, 4 times negative 5. 3 times 2x, and then 3 times negative 5. So what's 4 times 2x, 4x times 2x? It's 8x squared. I've noticed that most of the students get this question wrong. Why? Because 4x times 2x, most of the students will probably write 8x. But they have to bear in mind that there is two x's here. So it has to be x times x, which is x squared. Very important. Now, 4x times negative 5 is a minus 20x. And 3 times 2x, that's 6x, and it's a positive. And 3 times negative 5 is a negative 15. Now that we've done this, we can just collect the like terms. Now, the only like terms that I can see here is the x's. And this is a constant term, and that has an x squared, so they are unique. These are the like terms. So then the answer would be 8x squared. Now, negative 20 plus 6 is negative 14x. And we have a leftover term, which is negative 15. That's pretty much it. Thank you.